everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a DIY home improvement project that can make a huge impact on both the functionality and aesthetics of your space, installing blinds on your windows. Whether you're aiming for privacy, light control, or simply sprucing up your room, this tutorial will guide you through each step. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon to stay updated on all our latest videos. Let's get started. Step 1. Choosing the right blinds. Before we dive into the installation process, it's important to choose the right type of blinds for your space. Consider the room's function, window dimensions, and personal style. From roller blinds to Venetian or Roman blinds, there's a variety to fit your needs. Step 2. Gather your tool. Once you've picked your blinds, make sure you have all the necessary tools and hardware ready. Grab your blinds, a drill, a pencil, a measuring tape, a screwdriver, and a hammer. Make sure you have everything within reach before you start. Step 3. Measuring your window. The key to a successful installation is accurate measurement. Measure the width of your window at the top and the bottom. Use the narrowest width measurement to ensure the blinds fit. Then, measure the height on both sides and the middle using the longest measurement. Decide if you want an inside or outside mount, as this will affect the size of the blinds you purchase. Step 4. Marking and drilling the brackets. Using the pencil, mark where your brackets will go. If it's an inside mount, place the marks inside the top corners of the frame. For outside mounts, mark the desired spots on the wall above the window. Use a level to make sure your markings are even. Then, drill pilot holes and screw the brackets into place. Step 5. Installing the blinds. Now that your brackets are secure, it's time to install the blinds. If you're working with a headrail, slide it into the brackets until it clicks into place. Lower and test your blinds to ensure they operate smoothly. Step 6. Attach the wand and test. If your blinds have a rotating wand for opening and closing the slats, attach it now. Test your blinds by lowering, raising, and tilting them to ensure everything works smoothly. Take a step back and admire your work. You've just successfully installed new blinds. And that's it. You've successfully installed your new blinds, giving your window a fresh look with minimal effort. We hope this tutorial was helpful and made the installation process a breeze. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more DIY home project tutorials.